Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. Picked up these solar panels, like I said in the last video. And the problem they have is it came with these connectors, not your MC4 style connectors. So I'm gonna do a quick little video, show you how to fix that, get the right connectors on here, and then we can go ahead and get them set up. So there's gonna be part one, and then I'm gonna go do a part two of actually connecting them onto my rack. So I'll move the camera and we'll show you how to do this. Okay, you just got to take these 4 screws off. We're going to remove this old wire, that rubber gasket. I figured out how it went on later, so I still got to go back and fix that, but I finally gave up on that thing. So take your cap off, the little retaining weatherproof there. You got positive on the right, negative on the left. So we just get rid of the old wire. Then we're going to go ahead and cut a new piece of wire, and we're going to connect that to the positive and negative leads on the inside of that box. And I tied a little knot so I can tell which one is the positive when I was done. So go ahead and feed that through, screw it down on your terminal ends, and that should be good there. Then we're going to go ahead and put our MC4 style connectors on the end of those wires. Make sure you get that crimping tool for it, and you'll see me using it here in a minute, because that crimping tool actually makes sure your connections are solid. So, all right, so there's my MC4 connectors. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ferrule on the end, strip the wire, crimp it. And this one, for some reason, I don't know, I struggled getting it to lock into place. I actually had to take a screwdriver and push it in. It was, didn't know what was going on, but once I finally got it to lock in, and it was secure. So I went ahead and went to the other end, put my MC4, and I do have another video showing you how to wire these MC4 connectors, which a little more detail. So if you want to check out that video, you can follow it. You can see it in my channel. So anyway, once I get those connectors on, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little test when I'm all done. So put this cover back on, close it up. Then I'm going to grab my voltmeter and I'm going to test it and make sure that I have the proper voltage, positive and negative. And here you can see me messing with that stupid O-ring. I did figure it out on the other panels, and I still got to fix this one. So alright, so then I just checked the volts and the amps on the panel, the open circuit readings, to make sure that it was reading what it should and I had correct polarity. So that's all I'm doing here, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap this thing up and move on to the other 4 panels that I had to do. So that's pretty much it. So don't be afraid if you're going to find somebody selling some panels that has some goofy wiring. I picked these up from an auction from our local utility company, and I don't know what they did with these connectors, but I went ahead and swapped them out for MC4 style because that's what I'm running on my system. So if you do find yourself a good price on panels used and they have a wire, so don't be afraid. Very easy fix, and you can do it relatively quickly, as you can see in this video. Alright, thanks for watching. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to see part 2. And we're going to install this on the rack and get it connected to the house so we're generating more power. Alright, thanks and God bless.